Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and thank you in advance for subscribing. So, if you have a vehicle or a trailer and you cannot find the VIN is missing, or maybe the VIN is damaged, this segment is for you. Or if you know someone that is in this type of situation, please be sure to share this video with them so that they can get the help that they need. With that being said, if you have a vehicle or trailer and the VIN is missing, you don't know where the VIN is or is damaged, the first thing you're going to do is reach out to your DMV or a local law enforcement agency in your state or county and explain the situation to them. And what's going to happen is you are going to either take the trailer or the vehicle to their location, or they're going to come to you and they will examine your vehicle or trailer thoroughly for that VIN. Okay, and if they see a VIN in question and is legible, it's not damaged, then you're in good shape. If not, if the VIN is not present, or if the VIN that is present is mutilated or damaged, then you're going to get a new VIN plate in question. Okay. Let me also share, what if you have the title, okay, and the VIN is on that title, and the VIN on the title is legible, but it's not present on the trailer or the vehicle in question? Then, with you having received that new VIN plate, the title that you have must be changed. It must be updated to reflect the new VIN that was issued. Okay, that's going to be the process. Also, if you have a registration card, same thing. That registration and title record must show the new VIN that was issued. Okay, and let me just share this with you guys. Normally, when it comes to VIN inspections and examinations and things of this nature, it's not a long process. It's not a challenging process. It's just a matter of you reaching out to your DMV or your local law enforcement agency, and it can just take a few minutes, depending on how busy they are, or if they have enough staff or manpower at that time, and they can just get you in and out, and that's normally how it is. It's nothing really challenging. You would just fill out the form in question, or forms that they have, and normally it's just one form, and you'll pay the applicable fees and you'll be on your way. Okay, so this is going to be the process that you would take in the event you don't have a VIN on your trailer or your vehicle, or maybe it's missing or damaged. Just again, reach out to DMV or your local law enforcement agency for guidance. Okay, now for those of you who have received a homemade trailer from someone, or maybe you have built a homemade trailer yourself and there is no VIN, same thing. You're going to reach out to the DMV or your local law enforcement agency pertaining to getting that VIN issued. Same thing, they're going to conduct an examination of that trailer to make sure that there is no existing VIN, on that trailer in question. And if it is and it's legible, then that's good. But if not, then of course you're going to have a new VIN plate for that homemade trailer. Okay, and let me just add, normally when it comes to homemade trailers, you don't have an existing title or title record unless you are receiving a homemade trailer from someone that made the homemade trailer and they're giving you the title to correspond with that. But normally there's not going to be an existing title for that homemade trailer. Okay, normally. So what will happen is you will fill out the homemade trailer paperwork, and of course the VIN plate and all of that is a part of the process. And if all goes well, you will use the documentation and the VIN plate in question to get your title pertaining to that homemade trailer. Okay, and let me just share, not all states issue titles for trailers. Okay, so if you have a homemade trailer, you will want to inquire with your DMV or your county in question to ask if they issue, titles for your, your trailer or not. And just to be sure, if not, then you'll just get a registration card. Okay, so that would really be something that you will want to keep in mind and be mindful of if you desire to get that title in question. Okay, and if you're in a state that issues titles for trailers, then you should be in good shape. If you have any questions pertaining to getting a VIN for a vehicle or homemade trailer or any trailer, perhaps you can't locate or it's missing, it's damaged, and you want to share your experience or you need more guidance, feel free to drop me a line below or visit me at wisdomandauthority.com. Thank you so much for stopping by this evening. Please click share and subscribe. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.